Introducing HP Pavilion Gaming AMD Ryzen 5 5600H 39.6 cm 15.6 inches FHD gaming laptop in shadow black and ultraviolet. It comes in a size of 36 into 25.7 into 2.4 cm and weighs 1.98 kilograms. It comes with an AMD Ryzen 5 5600H processor and is preloaded with Windows 11 Home and Microsoft Office Home and Student 2019. It has 8 GB DDR4 3200 which can upgrade up to 16 GB DDR4 3200 SDRAM and a NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 graphics and 512 GB PCIe NVMe M.2 SSD storage. It is powered with a lithium-ion battery with an average battery life of 8 hours. The laptop has a 15.6 inches FHD anti-glare display with a resolution of 1920 into 1080 pixels. Enjoys surround sound with dual speakers in B&O audio. It boasts features like MU/MIMO support. The laptop is equipped with USB Type-A HP Sleep and Charge, USB Type-C, RJ45, USB Type-A 5 Gbps, HDMI and media card reader, and is Bluetooth Wi-Fi enabled. The box includes laptop and power adapter. This laptop comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.
This laptop has been tested under 4 broad performance categories. Frames per second or FPS scores of games are done by testing popular game genres like shooting, racing, strategy and more under high and medium graphic settings. For example, in Valorant, this laptop scored 179 FPS in high graphic settings and 184 FPS in medium graphic settings. And in GTA 5, this laptop scored 111 FPS in high graphic settings and 119 FPS in medium graphic settings. Thermal performance tests are conducted to check for surface temperatures after running a few stress tests in a loop. The display of the laptop was also tested using a combination of hardware and software tools that can test the display for color accuracy and peak brightness levels. Digit rated this laptop an overall score of 52 out of 100. If you are curious to learn more about how Digit tests, visit www.amazon.in/digittest.